Hello and welcome to Histogram Maker. This tool mainly helps you to create histogram charts without exploring unnecessary additional built-in settings of charts in Excel. It is constructed by two parts. These are the data source and the chart. So start with the data source sheet. First, input your data to the left side of the template. You may get additional rows by pressing the plus sign in here. Once you input your data, the chart will be formed automatically. You may change the chart title by typing in the new title right under your chart title. So, you may personalize your chart by either setting the number of bins or by bin width. To set the number of bins, first this empty dot must be selected. Then click on the cell and type in the amount of bin you would like to display on the chart. Once you do that, the chart will change according to that preferences. If you would like to select the bin width option, click on this dot and set the bin width according to your own preferences. So let's say you would like to see 0.35, and once you enter, the chart will be formed automatically. Once you're done with inputting your data and set the configuration, you may have a closer look to your chart by clicking on the chart button on the top. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.